Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 118 of building the Ecto-1. This time we've got the middle interior roof panel. We've got two little interior lights to make up. We just have to pop the cover into there like that. Then that goes into here. I believe this is the one on the right. That goes in there like that. Yeah, there we go. The left one does exactly the same. On that one there, with again the arrow facing forwards, because that makes the shaping of the inside piece much better. So that goes in there like that. And then we need to fit the bulbs to this and then fit this to the car. The bulbs are fitted to the car, so I need to do that sort of in situ, which is going to be tricky to do on camera because it's right in the middle of a big thing. Basically, I need to put the bulbs into the holders there, use a little bit of tape, thusly, to hold the wires in place along the divide there. So let's get that ready prepped like that. That down there. And then 4 screws to hold that into the top like that. Yeah, there's 4 other screw holes that sort of come through, but 4 screws hold this in place on there as well. So let me get the 4 screws prepped as well. Then I'll bring in the main body and we'll see if I can show any of it. If not, then I'll talk you through it. Okay, there we go. Best angle I can give you, unfortunately. I've put those bulbs in there and taped them down. There is, in fact, even tracks in the floor for this to go into. So that's going to go in there a bit like that. Once I've got the wires properly arranged. And the 4 screws will hold that down in each corner. So we've then got the interior lights fitted like that. Unfortunately, as I say, that's the best that I can show you. But I'll get it screwed in and that will be done. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you for more very soon. Bye-bye for now.